Hey man, you can't park here.
I don't have a shifter.
How'd you get here, bro, if you don't have a shifter? Bro, who are you? Matter of fact, bro, who are you?
I just woke up.
Hey bro, you good? There's no shifter there, buddy. Is this your car, man?
I just hopped out of it, didn't I?
That's a very good point. I'm sorry, that was a stupid question. Nice, bro. When'd you get this Cressida? How do you pronounce it? Matter of fact, I hear people say like Cressida.
Cressida. Cressida.
Cressida.
Cressida.
Yeah. Randomly, Marcel was like, "Hey, I'm getting a Cressida," and I was like, "What?" And the homie Payne. And the homie Payne brought this down and dropped it off for him, and yeah, now we have a Cressida.
So this is my first time seeing it. Pretty dope. See what Marcel does with this.
I think he has like just the struts of cool suspension, the stock suspension, no springs. Sheesh. It's tuned.
Damn. So yeah, straight shell, but
ready to go.
looks pretty good. Looks pretty solid. The fucking body looks really good.
Yeah, and he wants to do a 1UZ swap, so we're gonna eventually do all that. He says that he knows somebody to do the harness as well. Yeah, it's gonna be a cool ass drip build.
Nice.
Nice.
We just finally prestiged. Well, not even prestige. We maxed out the perk slot, so now we get you finally upgrade the Doug bill. So
It's time to upgrade.
you reduce scratches on wheels by 75%. It's a pretty good perk.
Yeah, I need that.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're back in the shop. It's been like a couple weeks. I bought these last week. Got a pretty decent deal on them. They look good, so finally got some tires for the Beamer. Got some 215/45s. And yeah, I'm excited. We can finally get off these balloon-ass tires. And we'll see what this fitment is really looking like on the Beamer. And we'll be one step closer to driving this thing, so.
No whammies, 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 no whammies.
So many webs everywhere.
No whammies.
I'm gonna cut it, bro. Don't worry. I'm gonna definitely cut that out. Don't you worry. I'm 100% cutting out all of this.
Bro, I'm not cutting it.
Look at that. This tire is way smaller compared to that balloon. Yeah, so we're going from a 225/50 to a 215/45.
There's something in my ass.
Hey, bro. Hey, hold on, bro. We talked about this, bro. We talked about this, right?
Huh? I'm sorry, man. But I thought I could sing. You said I could sing on the job, though. Damn. Just like that.
If anybody wants these dials, Jesse's selling them for 50 bucks. Our best offer.
Oh, 50 over here, huh?
Yeah, just get them out of here, please. Just get them out of here.
We don't need more wheels.
We really don't. You can already see the difference the tires are making. It's has a little slant to it, but yeah, new tires look really good. I told my boy to be careful because there's been a lot of Black Widow spotting, so
Black Widow spottings, you'd be scared of me, son.
Oh, my bad. These wheels right here are Joseph's?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd be ashamed if someone... What?
Hey, man!
Oh, shit, my bad.
Bro, what?
Hey,
Dude.
why would you do that?
You know how fucked up that is that you stepped on his wheels? I had to come on this side just to let you know that.
My bad, bro, you're right.
Hey, man, I swear to God, no common decency for our homies.
Hey, bro, it's a brand new OEM BMW stock wheel.
Brand new?
Yeah. How you looking? No spiders?
I was scared because I thought I saw something.
What the hell?
Got here with just the same time after what all you just went through?
Come here out. Yeah, I haven't seen your ass.
Yo, don't move, bro. Don't move.
You're fucking lying. I was like, fuck.
Alright, guys, so I haven't filmed this thing in a minute. Marcel, you already know. Business as usual.
I'm running out of my rations.
Making the good stuff right now. But look at this. The last time I showed this, it did not look like this at all. Like, it's molded now. It's all one piece. Shit just looks crazy. This is probably the craziest Honda Crosstour build on YouTube. I mean, I'm not looking at Crosstour builds like that on YouTube. I don't know if you are, but I have. There might be. I don't want to knock anybody, but like, I don't know. Like, just looking at this, I mean, this looks kind of just. This is just one of one, bro. Like, if you guys have seen it processed piece by piece, I'm sure at the beginning some of you guys are probably like, bro, what? But nah, you guys already know. Not you down, Marcel. You see it coming together.
Ever.
It's just crazy. Like, you fucking see it coming every time I come back. Just look at that diffuser. That shit looks fucking OEM. Very much Very demure. Very
Demure.
Yeah, every little drizzle.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you gotta just smack it a couple times on top of the cheek, yeah. Wait. Oh, you wanna go to the Diddy parties?
Did he? Did he not?
They should. They should feel like that. Why you gotta come and flex on us like that?
You mean in my rust bucket? Yeah, okay.
Nah, bro, look at that. That shit's sitting clean. What a hard-working man.
Sometimes.
Hey, what time is it? My Cowboys about to play. 15 minutes. Guys, I'm down bad. Me and Hefe, our teams, wait, you guys are 1 and 2, no?
1 and 2, yeah.
Both of us are 1 and 2, bro. Like, we might go 1 and 3. Or,
Why do you run cover 1 and don't blitz? That's what I do not understand. Why are you running cover 1 and not sending the blitz? Running cover 1, but not.
Hey,
You run a single high safety, and you can't. You put in the man on scrimmage, but he's not gonna blitz. And then you blitz the best quarterback at blitzing. Matthew Stafford has had a #1 completion success rate when he's blitzed. I don't understand. The man just knows. And then he goes and throws it for a hospital ball? Fuck him. Fuck the Rams.
alright guys, so this is how we're looking. Both sides. Yeah, so it's kind of hard to see the driver's side. Not much space over here, but yeah, I still need to get that driver's side fender on. But you guys see the vision. I think I might have to raise it a little bit, but I don't think it'll rub like that. Officially cut into the body.
Oh, it's been cut.
It's been cut.
It's been cut. I'm just molesting it some more.
Oh yeah, massaging it, you're rubbing it down a little bit more.
With that Diddy oil. Donka chop. That donka chop.
Guys, you really see how wide that wheel is. So what's? Nah, I'm not gonna give away specs. You guys can guess what spec that is.
Like silicone.
Yeah, it's fucking. It was silicone.
Was it like a 5-inch lip?
7.
7-inch lip? Oh my goodness.
He's 7.
This motherfucker always got a one up me, dog.
7-inch lip.
I already had 5. At the Prestige. Picked up the first time.
That's the best sound like this.
Shout out to Jesus' mama.
Give me some oil.
Alright, one day guys, one day, speaking into existence, we're all gonna be cruising. This guy, Crosstour, and the Beamer. Gonna be cruising one day.
At least me and the Beamer. This one we don't know. It might be.
I could drive this shit right now, bro.
That's very true. Literally nothing stopping him from driving this.
Me either. Shit, I drove here on clean tags. Joke's on you.
That's what's stopping me, yeah. That's what's stopping the Beamer as well. But those tires too.
Not dirty.
Thought about it. Wouldn't be the first time.
Won't be the last.
Won't be the. Alright guys, so the vlogs are gonna start being a little different. I gave the boys an idea. I'm gonna start leaving the camera here. And also I think one of you guys commented it as well. So I don't know if it was on my mind since then, but it's a really good idea actually, because I come to the shop like I try once a week. So I'm usually working, but you know, today I was recording for the Beamer, but there's always stuff going on. Like this guy is here every day working on this thing.
Fuck no.
Almost.
Seems like it, but
It does. Like damn, that guy's always at it on it, but the progress
shit's gotta get done.
Yeah, bro, the progress is speaking for itself for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the camera here. Might even see this guy in the vlogs one. He might be in the Type R, he might be in the SE300.
Depends on the mood.
Depends how he's feeling. He said some days I'm in my Yeezy, some days I'm in my Vans. That's pretty much what he said. But
Oh, crap.
so yeah, Jesse was really hyped with the idea. Marcel said he's down, so hey man, I'm not asking them to record a fuck ton, but I'm sure there's always something going on. And I mean, there'll be more vlogs for you guys. I'm sure you guys want to see more. All the Honda people that hate me, all the Honda people that unsubscribed. Maybe you guys came back and are peeking what's going on the channel.
There is a Honda in the vicinity.
Yeah, because I might title this, might be the thumbnail, the Honda Crosstour. So you know, the Honda people might be like, hey, what's going on?
Honda,
So
all caps.
for the Honda people, if you guys want to see this insane Honda Crosstour build, one of one on YouTube.
One of none.
One of none.
Your job, turkey.
So yeah, if you guys want to see more shit, I'm gonna leave the camera. They might just record some fucking butt sex, who knows?
Hey,
Diddy party.
you never know.
Yeah, they probably do have some Diddy parties going
Diddy
on in here
party.
at night.
Wait till we get a kiddie pool. Done deal.
I thought about it.
We need a dog
We still
pool.
can. It's what, 15 bucks, 20 bucks?
We still can't. That's very
We
true.
can go, if you go in, I'm with it.
Yeah.
It's never too late. It's never too early.
Yeah, so we'll see what happens, guys. We can easily, maybe, hopefully get at least 2 vlogs a week with all this with all this Diddy party footage.